Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to get Blender app for any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open any web browser and just visit to this website link. I'll be providing this website link too in the video description, so you can click there and visit to this website link. And after that, just scroll down below. Now you'll see your releases, just click on it. Now here you will see Blender on Android.apk file. So you need to download this APK file. So finally the file has been downloaded. So now just click on open. Now click on install. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on open. Now just click on this option, just allow permission. Just move back. So now you can see the user interface of this application. So it looks exactly the similar as the desktop versions. So on the above you will see a various tabs option. As you can see, files, edit, render, window, help, layout, modeling. So tons of options here. And on the left side also you will get exactly the same layouts as you will be going to see on the desktop versions. So you can see the respective objects is being placement here. And on the right side you will see here the different X, Y and Z axis. So you can click on the respective options which axis you want to see. On the right panel also there is tons more options which is exactly the same as the desktop version. So I'll not make you bored by showing each and every option, so you can check out by yourself all the various options this Blender app for Android gonna provide for you. So this is how you can get Blender app for any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.